everyone. We are at 401 Sequoia Drive. It's Bakersfield, California, 93308. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath unit attached to a duplex. It does have a 1-car garage. Within the 1-car garage, there are washer-dryer hookups. So the garage is a little bit longer, so you can store your vehicle. And in the back, you can see where the drain and the hookups and everything are. Because this unit is in the front, it actually has its own little yard. It is not completely gated off. But as you can see, it's a pretty good little space. I'm going to go inside the unit. You enter into the living room area. It's got nice laminate flooring. The ceiling fan in the living room. The back side is the kitchen, matching flooring. Got lots of storage space in the kitchen. Nice countertops. And it does come with the gas stove. If we go into the hallway, your water heater is actually kept in this closet right here. And then on the other side of the hall, there's additional drawers and cabinet space to store in. And the first bedroom does have a ceiling fan, nice big windows for some natural light, and then your own walk-in closet. And then right next door is the other bedroom, also matching flooring, same big window with the ceiling fan, and the walk-in closet as well. And finally, we have the bathroom. And lots of storage space under the sink, medicine cabinet, and then your toilet and your shower tub combo. If you're interested in this unit or any of our other units, please feel free to visit eHomes@Bakersfield.com. Click on View Rentals, and you'll be able to search for this property and all of our others and request more information or apply online. Have a great day.